Key elements of logistics. Transportation management. This includes selecting appropriate transportation modes, such as road, rail, sea, or air, based on factors like cost, transit time, and cargo type. Routing shipments efficiently to minimize distance and transit time. Managing carrier relationships and negotiating freight rates. Warehousing and distribution. This includes designing and managing warehouse facilities to optimize storage space and facilitate efficient movement of goods. Implementing effective inventory management practices to ensure accurate stock levels and minimize carrying costs. Organizing distribution networks to facilitate timely delivery to customers. Inventory management. This includes optimizing inventory levels to balance supply and demand, minimizing excess stock, which ties up capital, while ensuring sufficient stock to meet customer orders. Implementing inventory control measures such as ABC analysis, economic order quantity, EOQ, and safety stock management. Order processing and fulfillment. It includes processing customer orders accurately and efficiently, including order entry, picking, packing, and shipping. Implementing technology solutions like warehouse management systems, WMS, and order management systems, OMS, to streamline order fulfillment processes. Supply chain coordination. It includes collaborating with suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers to ensure seamless flow of goods and information across the supply chain. Sharing real-time data and visibility to optimize inventory levels and respond quickly to changes in demand. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.